Well, we're here at the Crowne Plaza here at Indy. We got the original car and we get the modded car on the left. So let's go ahead and take a ride on the original over here. This is the progress update as we. This is the original car. As you can see here, we have a view of the atrium. Let's go down to no. This is Fairhall. Yeah, Fairhall elevators. Let's go up to 5. Alrighty, here we go. Go to 5. Going down. Let's see. Oh look, someone actually smashed the glass right there. It's actually behind a wall. It smells like hydraulic fluid. For some reason, they don't have any barricades or anything. It's kind of weird. Yes, there's the phone. I don't think I've ever seen that sticker. What is that sticker? Something starts with A. Blast off. And what was number 4? Sorry, this is going on. Now let's go back down to the lobby. Hi. This is a nice glass elevator, even though you gotta replace that glass at some point. Focus camera. It's Fairhall. Look at that. But here's the modded one right here. See, there's the old indicator. And there's the new one. As you can tell, this is a new modded car. Anyway, let's go down to a lower level. This is a newly modded car. Hi. This is weird. Goes in a little bit over there. We would plop at 5. This is has a weird funky controller. But yeah, you can literally see the piston from the other elevator. Look how cool this lobby is. So, this mod is not bad. It's an old exercise. Now let's go back down to the lobby. These doors. That is so weird. That's where the old floor indicator used to be. Well, it looks like these are getting modded, but you know, you have to virtually evolve because deal with the changes here. Innovation junk. But this is basically like the Dewhurst of North America. Well, I mean the US, really. There's a certificate over there in the corner. And yeah, that's the item. Both the modded car, which is this one here, as well as the original car, which is the one next to it. But yeah, you see they're still working on that one, which it's been like that for 6 months, I think. 5 or 6 months, so yeah. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.